In this video, we'll demonstrate the essential steps on how to get verified on Spotify. Before we dive into the process, if you're eager to gain that coveted verification badge on your Spotify artist account, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping the content we bring to you. Now, let's get started on claiming your Spotify artist account for that official verification. To embark on this journey, you'll need to follow a few key steps. Visit the Spotify for Artists website at assist.spotify.com and click on the Get Access button. Sign in with your existing Spotify account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once signed in, search for your artist name in the search bar. If your profile appears in the search results, it means you already have an existing artist profile. Click on it to claim. If your profile doesn't appear, you'll need to release music through a distributor before claiming your artist profile. Fill out the required information about yourself and your music. This includes adding a bio, artist photo, social media links, and other details that personalize your artist profile. Verify your identity, as Spotify may require additional information or documentation. After completing all the necessary steps, submit your claim to Spotify. Be patient, as it may take some time for Spotify to review and process your claim. Once approved, you'll have full access to your artist profile on Spotify for Artists. Remember, Spotify for Artists is designed for artists, managers, and teams, so gather all necessary information and materials before starting the process. Keep in mind that the verification process and timeline may vary, so follow any instructions provided by Spotify during the claiming process. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Media Magnet Guide. We've shared valuable insights on claiming your Spotify artist account and obtaining an official verification badge. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes, diving into various aspects of music and creativity. By subscribing to our channel, you become part of our vibrant community.